Omnisend is a popular landing page software, but before you commit to buying it, there are 12 key things you need to know. Whether you're comparing it to other tools like MailChimp or ConvertKit, this breakdown will help you make an informed decision. The first thing to know is that Omnisend is all about e-commerce integration. It stands out with its direct sync to platforms like Shopify and BigCommerce, making it a strong contender if you run an online store. If you're comparing it to other email marketing tools, this level of seamless integration gives it a real edge when building landing pages tied directly to your product catalogs and cart data. Next thing, Omnisend offers a drag and drop builder. This means you don't need to be a designer to create professional-looking landing pages. While other platforms like Wix or Leadpages offer similar features, Omnisend focuses more on e-commerce-specific templates, which is a nice touch for anyone looking to boost conversions in an online store setting. The third thing, Omnisend has a strong automation feature. With pre-built workflows for cart abandonment, welcome emails, and product recommendations, it's a solid choice if you're looking for more than just a landing page tool. Competitors like MailChimp also offer automation, but Omnisend's workflow options are especially tailored for online retail. The fourth thing, let's talk about analytics. Omnisend's reporting tools allow you to track your landing page performance with metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. Compared to others, its reporting is more robust, especially for e-commerce businesses. If data is crucial to you, this is a key benefit. Next, Omnisend is more than just landing pages. It has an email marketing platform built in. This means you get the benefit of cross-channel marketing, not only on the landing pages, but in your email campaigns as well. Competitors like ConvertKit don't offer this all-in-one experience. The sixth thing to know is about Omnisend's customer support. They offer 24/7 email support, but live chat support is limited to higher tier plans. This might be a deal breaker if you need instant support, especially compared to competitors like GetResponse, which offer live chat support on all plans. The seventh thing, Omnisend has a free plan. The free version allows for up to 250 subscribers, making it a good option if you're just starting out. However, the free plan does come with limitations, particularly around the number of emails you can send. This is something to keep in mind if you're scaling quickly. The eighth thing, while Omnisend does offer automation features, some users report that its learning curve is a bit steep. If you're new to landing page builders or marketing automation, you might find the interface overwhelming at first, especially when compared to platforms like MailerLite, which tend to be more user-friendly. The ninth thing, Omnisend's pricing structure is based on the number of contacts you have, which can get a bit expensive as your business grows. If you're comparing this to tools like MailChimp or ActiveCampaign, they do offer more flexible pricing tiers. So, if you're budget conscious, it's worth checking this out carefully. Next, Omnisend's SMS marketing feature is worth mentioning. This is another key difference when comparing it to other platforms. Omnisend allows for SMS integration, so if you're looking for a multi-channel marketing tool, this is a major plus. It's a more cost-effective option compared to standalone SMS services. The 11th thing, the platform does offer a variety of integrations. Aside from Shopify and BigCommerce, you can integrate with apps like Zapier, allowing you to connect to hundreds of other platforms. This is an important feature that you might not find on every landing page tool, so if you need flexibility in your tech stack, Omnisend does well here. The final thing to know is that while Omnisend is solid for e-commerce businesses, if you're running a service-based business or focusing more on lead generation, it might not be the best fit. There are other tools out there, like Unbounce or Leadpages, that might better serve your needs in these areas. Omnisend is a great option, especially if you're running an e-commerce store and need a powerful all-in-one marketing platform. However, if you're looking for something with even more features and flexibility, we recommend checking out our top alternative, which you can try for free.